Hello, good morning. This is Norma Acosta with Mommy's Mexican Kitchen. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make what I call my breakfast enchiladas, but you can also make them as a dinner. For breakfast, I usually serve them with 1 or 2 eggs on top, and for dinner, maybe with the side of breaded chicken or beef or even pork. But today we're going to do it as a breakfast. Okay, so the ingredients we're going to be using, we're going to use chile colorado, and you're going to put it in a plate where you can easily dip your corn tortillas. I don't have the recipe for the chile colorado, but I'm going to put a link above on the right hand side so you can click on the link and learn how to make the chile colorado. Of course, we're going to need some oil. For the enchiladas, you need about 1/4 cup of oil. And then we're going to use 3 tortillas per serving, or however many enchiladas you want to make. So today I'm going to use 3 tortillas. I'm going to use 2 eggs. I'm going to use queso fresco, and I'm going to put a picture of how the queso fresco looks with very fine onion in it. It's mixed together. Okay, and I'm gonna serve it with some refried beans, and also I'm gonna put up a link up there so that you see how I refry my beans. Okay, you're gonna use two non-stick frying pans and 2 spatulas, and so I'm gonna get settled here on the stove, and I will see you in a second. Okay, we are back. So I already heated up my beans. They're ready to go. I usually cook 1 or 2 pounds at a time. So these I made it like 2 days ago. And so all I had to do is put them on the plate and heat them up. I have my 2 frying pans here. This is going to be for the enchiladas, and it's already hot with 1/4 cup of oil. And this is for my eggs. The heat is at low, and the heat for this one, it's at like this is high, and I bring it down just a little bit. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the tortilla and we're gonna dip it into the chili, just like that. Okay, and we're gonna put it in the frying pan. Okay. So this oil is going to be good for about 3 enchiladas. The enchiladas absorb the oil, and after that, if I'm going to make more, then I get a little paper towel and I wipe my pan, and then I put a little more oil. Okay. So right now we're doing it based on 3 enchiladas. And also for my chile, for my queso fresco, I get 1/2 pound, and I get half of onion, and this is good for about a dozen enchiladas. Okay, so you leave it on the pan for about 30 seconds, and then you turn it. You don't turn so many times because it gets soft, and it gets hard to get it in and out of the spatula. And also, if you turn it too soon, most of the chili is going to stay in the pan. So you want to just give it enough time so that it sticks, it goes into the pan, and then it sticks back into the tortilla. Okay, so at this point this is ready. You're going to get it out, put it on your plate like so, and then you're going to put some cheese on over it. Then you get another one. And at this point, because we're halfway, then you can go ahead and put in the eggs. This is a very, very quick, if you have all the ingredients, it is a very fast and quick breakfast. So I put both of my eggs, and because I don't like the yolk raw. I'm gonna poke a hole on my eggs, but you can make them however you want, scrambled, over easy, however you want them, okay? So we wait about 30 seconds. In the meantime, the eggs are cooking. So you turn it. You can turn your eggs. I think this one needs a little more time, so I'll just leave it. Okay, so then I can get the other one, put it on my plate. So that's the second one. Some cheese on it. And enchilada number 3. Here we go. Okay. So I have that much enchilada. I'm gonna use a spatula. I'm gonna put it back in my big bowl. I usually make a big thing of chile colorado because I use it for different meals. And like I said, I'm gonna put the link up there on how to make your chile colorado. Okay, so one of my eggs is ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my plate. And I'm gonna turn the other one. See how easy and fast. So at this point, this is done. And see what the one quarter of a cup of oil, it absorbs most of it, but at the same time, the chili from the first and second tortilla, it starts getting dark on the pan. So that is the reason why I'm gonna turn the heat off. So that is why when you're done, you get a paper towel. If you're gonna make more tortillas, you get a paper towel and you pick up all that stuff. See? You pick it up and then you put more oil and you can continue to making more tortillas, more enchiladas, okay? So I'm gonna put the cheese on these, just like that. Okay, so ready for breakfast. There you go. Here, this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appetit. Make sure that if you haven't put thumbs up, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Share it in your social media. For every 100 likes and 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a drawing of something, I don't know yet, a spice or something cool. So here it is. Thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you and your family.